Imagine a camera built specifically for creators. Not bulky, not complicated. Lightweight, powerful, and insanely flexible. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark III doesn't exist yet, but if Sony makes it, it could change the way you create forever. Open gate video, in-body stabilization, AI-assisted autofocus, all packed into a compact body that fits in your hands. And trust me, you don't want to scroll past this one. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. Sensor Stack breaks down every camera shaping the future of content creation, filmmaking, and YouTube. The original ZV-E10 changed the game for creators. Interchangeable lenses, an APS-C sensor, and a compact design made it perfect for vloggers, YouTubers, and streamers. Then came the Mark II, which improved autofocus, video performance, and low-light capabilities. But creators always want more, and that is where the Mark III could come in. Imagine smoother video, more cinematic colors, smarter AI autofocus, and features that let you focus on creating rather than fiddling with settings. If you've used a ZV-E10 before, comment your favorite feature below. You might be surprised how far this next model could go. The Mark III could feature a slightly larger body, just enough to improve balance and heat management, without adding unnecessary weight. Magnesium alloy construction would keep it durable, while full weather sealing would make it reliable in different environments. The grips would be sculpted for comfort during long shoots, and the fully articulating touchscreen would make framing shots effortless. Front and rear tally lights, dedicated record buttons, and a thoughtfully laid-out control system would ensure that every function is accessible without taking your eye off the action. Think of it as an extension of your hands, not just a tool you carry. If comfort matters to you as a creator, hit like now, because the features we're about to cover next will blow your mind. At the heart of the Mark III, we could see a new APS-C BSI sensor, likely around 26 to 28 megapixels. This sensor would offer faster readout to minimize rolling shutter and deliver excellent dynamic range, preserving detail in both shadows and highlights. Low-light performance could make night shots appear like golden hour, and color science would ensure skin tones look natural while giving landscapes a cinematic depth. Imagine filming a street vlog or a sunset cityscape where every detail is sharp, every color is vivid, and the footage feels professional straight out of the camera. If this excites you, smash that like button and stay tuned because the video only gets better. The ZV-E10 Mark III could finally offer OpenGate 6K video, capturing the full sensor for flexible cropping in post-production. 4K 60 recording without crop, and 4K 120 for smooth slow-motion sequences could give creators unmatched flexibility. Internal 10-bit 422 recording, along with S-Log3 and S-Cinetone, would allow for professional color grading. Combined with unlimited recording thanks to smart heat management, this camera could handle everything from cinematic vlogs to fast-paced social media content. Imagine shooting a skate session, a travel vlog, or vertical social media clips, all from a single camera. Don't forget to subscribe now to catch all future camera breakdowns like this one. Autofocus on the Mark III could be next level. Real-time IAF for both humans and animals would track subjects with incredible precision. Pose detection could anticipate movements, and AI framing assist might automatically adjust composition while you focus on your subject. Solo creators could feel like they have a full camera crew in their pocket, capturing every shot perfectly. Imagine filming a dynamic scene where your camera intuitively follows the action without missing a beat. Comment below with the first shot you would capture if this autofocus system existed, and hit like if you love cameras that feel smart. 5-axis in-body stabilization could make handheld footage feel cinematic, and active stabilization could smooth walking or running shots without a gimbal. Telephoto lenses would remain rock steady, even during handheld shoots, giving creators professional quality footage in almost any scenario. Travel vloggers, documentary filmmakers, and run-and-gun creators would suddenly find it easier to capture smooth cinematic shots without heavy equipment. If you want more tips on stabilization tricks, subscribe because we cover exactly how to use this tech in real-world situations. The audio experience is just as important as video. The Mark III could feature a high-quality internal mic with improved preamps, wind noise reduction, and the ability to use external microphones effortlessly. Headphone monitoring and on-camera audio adjustments would make recording clear sound easier than ever. Whether you're filming a vlog on a windy day or a studio review, this camera could make sure your sound matches your visuals. If you care about audio quality as much as video, smash that like button now. Audio is half the magic of great content. Connectivity could be a huge selling point for the Mark III. USB-C power delivery would allow continuous shooting, while webcam mode and direct RTMP live streaming would make it ideal for creators who want professional streams without complicated setups. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth could allow instant syncing to phones and laptops, making previewing and sharing content effortless. Imagine live streaming cinematic 4K footage with zero lag directly from your camera to your audience. If this sounds exciting, hit subscribe now. You won't want to miss future camera breakdowns and hands-on reviews. Imagine filming a street vlog. Your camera is stabilized, perfectly exposed, autofocus locked on your face, and the background cinematic. Imagine a wildlife shot where animals are tracked perfectly, colors pop, and slow-motion sequences look professional without overheating. Imagine streaming a studio tutorial live in 4K with smooth audio. From street to studio, the Mark III could handle it all seamlessly. Comment below which scenario you would use this camera for first, and hit like if you can already picture yourself filming with it. When compared to competitors like the Canon R7 or Nikon Z30, the Mark III could offer superior video flexibility, smarter autofocus, and more advanced stabilization. Even FX30 users might consider it, as it offers cinema-level capabilities in a smaller, lighter package ideal for solo creators. Price speculation suggests it could remain accessible while delivering features that punch above its weight class. If you're comparing cameras for your next project, hit like. This section alone could save you hours of research. The Mark III could make professional shooting accessible to creators of all levels. You could use stabilization to walk and talk without a gimbal, set up AI framing assist for dynamic solo shots, or optimize color profiles to match cinematic grading workflows. For social media, the ability to switch seamlessly between vertical and horizontal formats would save time in post-production. Mastering these features could elevate your content instantly. If you're ready to create like a pro, subscribe now and stay tuned for more insider tips. Firmware updates could unlock new AI-assisted features over time, such as auto-framing, enhanced stabilization, and new color profiles. The camera could grow with your creative needs, adapting to new content trends and challenges. Rumors and community chatter suggest that Sony is listening closely to creators' needs, and the Mark III could reflect all of this feedback. Subscribe now to be among the first to see hands-on reviews if this camera becomes real. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark III isn't official yet, but if it delivers even half of what we've imagined, it could redefine creator cameras forever. It could be the compact, intelligent, and flexible tool every solo creator dreams of. Subscribe to Sensor Stack for future-focused camera breakdowns, and comment below. Would you wait for the ZV-E10 Mark III or grab something else today? Every like, comment, and subscription helps us continue bringing you the most detailed, creator-focused content.